We are under $270,000 on our mortgage. But how much? Welcome back, everyone. It's Kat from Financial Fun with Kat. It's been a little bit, but I am back. Just want to apologize to y'all who have been waiting on an update. If you didn't know, my husband is prior military. I was married to him during the Iraq War. He did 2 tours in an active combat zone during the Iraq War, and everything going on overseas has definitely been difficult here at this house. We've had feelings. We've been having feelings, remembering back what it's like, feeling for the family members and the soldiers that are going over there, feeling for anyone who is involved in this war. We've been dealing with our own grief and remembrance of things we've been through and feeling for the families. So if you know someone who is military, who has ever served in an active war zone or is about to, give them a hug, say a prayer for them, let them know that you're thinking about them, because it is a really hard time for a lot of families. Enough of the hard stuff. I just wanted to let you guys know that's going on for us. So if you could say a prayer for us, if you are the praying type, we'd really appreciate that. With that said, it is March, it is spring, and I am feeling so much better compared to last month. The change in the weather, I've been taking some very messy action to help feel more in control about all that went wrong last month, and things have kind of slowed down. We're not being hit with thing after thing after thing, and that kind of makes you feel like you're not being beat down. So I'm kind of in this positive mood today, and so we are recording a video. We are going to let you know how we are doing. If you're new here, welcome. My husband and I are on a journey to pay off our house in 5 years or less. We started back in March of 2025, right? Yeah, March of 2025 at $327,900, and we have made so much progress in the last year. We our very first payment was in March of last year. We have 12 months of payments, and we are now under $270,000. I'll get you the exact numbers here in just a minute. As a reminder, we ended February at $274,738.98, and we made a March principal payment of $5,472.66. We did pay a lot of interest, because when you start off on a mortgage, you have a lot of interest. It's all front loaded, but it is a lot less than we used to have because we refinanced back in October. We are down to a 5.5% interest rate, and we paid $1,236.30, which is down from last month, $47.78. In 1 month, the amount of interest we paid from last month to this month dropped almost $50. So making large principal payments towards your mortgage early in your mortgage makes a huge difference in how much you're going to pay over the lifetime of the loan. So if that is something you need to hear, if you are in a car loan or a personal loans work the same way, guys. And this is just a reminder, make big, fat principal payments at the beginning if you can. Every little bit that you can do makes a big difference on how much interest you pay. So now, with that principal and interest payment that we made, we are now at $266.32, well under $270,000. So we had almost a $330,000 mortgage this time in the last year, and we are now down to $270,000. Yay! That means that we have paid off $58,633.68, or 17.88% of this house in a year. The struggle is worth it. It didn't feel worth it last month. We had a few very hard months, but man, when you're in it, it feels awful. But on the highs, it feels really high, and I'm loving it, guys. $58,000 of this house is now paid off. It is ours, and that means our coloring sheet needs to be colored in. So you're going to see on the coloring sheet, I started coloring in on one of my houses. I thought I had started recording and I hadn't. So that's there. Oh well, you'll be okay. You won't be too mad at me, right? But we get to color in 3 houses this month for a total of 38 houses done. And I get to finish a row today. 3 rows are now done as well. Only 15 more to go. Okay, that doesn't sound very fun. But hey, 3 rows are done, right? And a little on the next row. So I'm getting the next one started. While I am coloring, I wanted to tell you guys about some messy action that I took. And it's part of the reason I am feeling so good today about our progress on this house is I watched a video by Life and Numbers. She is someone who recently, I guess it was last year, year before, 18 months or so ago, she lost her job and she decided she was going to try and pay off her credit card debt in like 45 days. And it's a huge sum. And she's making massive progress. She is amazing. Go watch her stuff. Go support her. Finish this video first if you don't mind. But I wanted to tell you about it because it was so inspiring to me. I watched it and I had this moment of, wow, I am not a victim. I can get up and I can do things. I know I can get up and do things, but sometimes you just need that little kick. And watching her video, that was all I needed. And I took some messy action and I am like blown away. The progress that I made in a very short period of time. We need to get our emergency fund back up. It is really low, guys. We have other money tucked away in other places. So like it's our official emergency fund. We have like a backup emergency fund. Our official emergency fund is down to about $2,500. Don't yell at me. I'm already yelling at myself. But I watched her video and went, dude, I can do that. I can figure out some ways. And just, what was it, yesterday, I opened up 2 different accounts. I opened up a checking account for a bonus that I'm going to be able to get $400 off of it. I was due to open up a credit card. I got a $250 bonus. I'm going to get on that card with just a little bit of spend. Like I'm just going to put my groceries on it. It'll be done in no time. That was $650 right off the bat. My husband may end up doing that bank offer. We'll see. That could be another $400. And just from those couple of things, wow, that was great. Opening up bank accounts and credit cards for bonuses is an awesome way to get a quick injection of cash. I also went and I started going, oh yeah, I used to play games like a lot. I kind of dialed it back. I've been doing other things to earn money, and I decided I wanted to see what was available. And there was some new stuff on Swagbucks. I'll put a link to the game I'm playing. But I've already earned $90 off of one game. I also went over to Free Cash and I downloaded another game on an old phone I have, and that one's playing in the background. I think I should get another $100 to $150 off of that. And then I've got another game that I'm playing that's really easy. And y'all, that was like another $300 that I think I'm going to have within the next month to month and a half. Because I went and checked, because I'm just actively deciding I'm going to take action, not knowing if it's going to work, but just doing it. And it's making me feel far more in control. I don't know what that unlocked in my brain, but seeing her video definitely unlocked something in my brain that had me held back. But yeah, just messy action, great weather, progress, not constantly having everything go wrong. It's amazing what can happen in a month, right? I am feeling so much better, guys. Anyway, guys, if you're still here, I appreciate it. I thank you guys for every one of you who watches, who gives a like, who has subscribed. Thank you so much. Every single one of you guys means something to me. It helps me when I come out here and give updates and keep making progress and not give up. And you really are a gift. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.